Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this particular video of MS Word course, I'm gonna teach you how to add commands in Quick Access Toolbar, right? So if you don't know what is Quick Access Toolbar, I'm gonna show you what is Quick Access Toolbar is actually and how you can add commands, how you can use Quick Access Toolbar in order to more efficiently get the work done, right? So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my MS Word software and this is the blank sheet I've taken because I don't want to add any text here. I'm gonna show you the quick access toolbar basically, right? So as the name suggests, quick access toolbar, which means you can access the tools very quickly, right? And where are those quick access toolbar is available? Basically, this is the quick access toolbar is option available, right? Now you might be thinking that we do have tons of options are available here, so why we would use these few options, right? Because it is customizable. You can add the most frequent tools here, the tools which you can use most frequently, you can use add it here, right? Now many people don't keep this ribbon in their worksheet every time, right? They just hide it like this, auto hide ribbon. Otherwise they use the second option, which is show tabs only, right? And whenever they click, then they are able to use the options, right? And in this case, quick access toolbar is one of the most useful option, right? So we do have three default options available here. The first one is save, then we have undo, and then redo, right? Now if you want to add more options here, you just have to click on this drop down menu kind of thing, and here you can see that the save, undo and redo options are checked. That's why these options are available here. Now let's say you want to add few more options. Let's say you want to add new option here. So as you can see, new option is added here. Now let's say you want to add the quick print option here. Now as you can see, quick print option is available. You just have to check that particular option, right? Now you don't have to go to file button and click on the print button in order to print the document. You can directly go to here, just after completing your work, just hit this print button and you are good to go, right? So that's how you can use these options. Now you have only limited options available, right? You can just use these options if you are not using the more command option. Now let's say you want to add few more things, few more tools here in a part of these tools, right? So for that you have to click on more commands, and in more commands options you get these tool options extra, right? So how you can add these options? You just have to select the option whatever you want. Let's say you want to add the email button, basically email option in your quick access toolbar. This is the quick access toolbar area basically, right? You just have to bring this option here. So for that, select the option, then click on add button, and the email option is added here. Then we do have, let's say we want to add find option as well, so select that and add, right? Then we want to add few more things. Let's say I want to add insert picture option, leave it. Let's use this format painter option, right? Add. As you can see, these options are added here, right? Now we do have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 options in our quick access toolbar. Right now you are not able to see because I haven't saved these options, right? Now we do have few more options over here. Let's say if you want to reset the option, you just have to click on this reset only quick access toolbar or reset all customizations, and the customizations will be reset as it was earlier, right? Now there's one more option. Let's say you want to organize these options according to yourself, basically according to your idea preference, right? So how you can do that? For that you just have to select that option or tool. Let's say I want to bring this tool in the second option just after the save button. So for that you have to select this and you have to click on this arrow button in order to bring that option here, right? Now let's say I want to bring this new file option at the end of this tool list, right? So that's how you can do it. Then Once you are done with your customization, just hit the OK button and all the tools will be added here. Right now, if you want to add new folder, new will be added. As you can see, the name of the document is changing, document 4, which means it's working. If you want to use format painter option, you can use it. If you want to email, you can use it, right? So that's how you can add quick access toolbar. Basically, you can use quick access toolbar more effectively in order to do your work more efficiently, right? So I hope you learned from this video, and if you do so, please hit that subscribe and like button, and you can also go and customize your quick access toolbar in order to do your work more efficiently, right? So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.